Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Sorry about sounding a little bit winded, but I just got through digging a hole and that's all the clay that was in there. If you see my rods, the gate will be going that way and these rods are this way. What I'll do, I'll have cement stacked on them, and on here I'm going to have some posts and some rails coming off to the side of here, and I'll have cement around these rods and cement around these rods, and what I'm gonna do is fill it up about halfway and get it level, pour some water on it, let that sit, and then I'll finish pouring it all the way tomorrow. I've got some rain. It's drizzling right now, but I'll put some cement down, then put some gravel down, then put some cement on that just for weight, and that'll get this post in place. I've got to put a top plate on it. I'm gonna make a little decorative something to go on top, and I'll have one gate up. This is some hard digging, let me tell you. I got to dig just as much on the other side, but at least I'm getting it done. And I'll have the gate up, and over here on the sides I'll probably have some kind of chains or something with spikes on them, because I can see somebody wanting to drive around, and whoever I want to come in here, they'll know not to drive around. And I'll put another no trespassing sign on here, so maybe people will get the message now. And it's not that I'm unsociable, it's just a lot of people come up to my place wanting to buy stuff, and just get out of the vehicle and start looking around. Even with 2 no trespassing signs, they will do that. Yes, people are that stupid. So this is what I got. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.